Got a little Bitcoin dippy-doo here. I see some YouTubers saying some pretty scary things out there. People trying to scare people. I don't know if it's intentional or not, but sometimes it's just for views. Make a scary title. If you're new to this, don't be scared. The whales are at play. They're trying to shake out. They want your Bitcoin. They're good at it. They're after the leverage traders and the weak hands. I've drawn in this line here. This is the hourly chart. See this support line here? I drew this in. I want to show you. This is the 1 hour chart. This horizontal line I have here is at 54,000. I don't expect it to go much past there. There's been a couple wicks and went down below there. Went all the way down to 53. This is cracking. Sites are a little different, but in my opinion, there's nothing to worry about. I could be wrong. It might come down here a little further, but I don't think it will. I want to show you the support line I've drawn in here underneath the entire parabolic run of this entire bull cycle. I haven't seen this on any of their channels. Of course, it just now kind of formed. I suppose I could have seen it earlier, but this little dippy-doo with the bouncy back really is right exactly where it's at. Let me show you. 4 hour chart. Look at that. See this vertical line, or not vertical, but the support line here going up. If you're scared out there, this should probably put you to ease a little bit. Maybe it comes down a little further. I don't expect it to. Of course, I'm no professional whiz or anything, but let's go to the daily chart. Show you how this is going. Okay, so this dip here, back here, is March 2020. This is the COVID-19 crash, and from there, Bitcoin's just been going up. This parabolic run started in October, give or take. Some people say it started about here when it broke the previous all-time high, around 20,000 in December. But no matter how you look at it, this parabolic pump we got going here is not violating this support line I have drawn in here. See this? Look at this. Look how boom, off it, wick, off it, wick, off it. Kind of goes a little above it, and then comes back down, wick, off it, wick, off it, wick, off it, boom, off it, wick, off it, wick, off it. Wick down close to it. These are daily closes, or daily candlesticks. Boom, closed right on it, almost. Opened back up, wick down below it. But look at that. It seems to be, Bitcoin seems to not be violating this line. And I have it drawn in 54,000, in my opinion. Wick down to 53,000. This should be the bottom. Maybe for a day or two, it kind of plays around here. But let me show you the weekly. Look at that. This is back here is the old previous high. The bull run, 2017, 2018. There's the COVID-19 drop. And then here's October and December of 2020, January of this year. And then look at this line. This is why I don't think you should be scared. We've bounced off it once, bounced off it twice. These are weekly candles. Bounced off it 3 times, 4 times. 4 weeks in a row, we bounced off it. Pumped up, made that all-time high at 58,000, 59,000. That's the only week. That's the only week since January 10th that we haven't bumped off this line I have drawn in here. The following week, February 21st, bumped off it. February 20th, bumped off it. March 7th, bumped off it. March 14th, bumped off it. Every single week, we've bumped off it. Bumped off it. That's hard to say. since the week of January 10th, after the week of January 10th, starting January 17th. Every single week we've been right on that line. So why should you be scared? Why should anybody be scared now? And see how it's see where it's going through this weekly candle. This weekly candle. It's just the same thing. Maybe it goes down a little further. I don't expect it to. Another interesting thing about this. Let's go back to the 4-hour. This is looking like it's setting up for either Thursday or Friday, or the start of April, maybe. Let's see, the 29th, I think, is Monday. Let's go to the hourly. Maybe just get a better look at this. What I expect is for it to bounce off here, maybe kind of goof around here for a day or two, and maybe the 25th it comes back up. Maybe who knows for sure what it's going to do, but I'm pretty sure it's going to bounce around in here. This is nothing abnormal. It seems like when YouTubers get carried away and it's all frenzy excitement, it seems like that's when the whales punish people. And then when YouTube, I mean, they're all putting out really great information, but everyone can get carried away. So I would say just never act on emotion and just always stay safe. I've been buying on the way down in little tiny increments. So I've been watching this pretty closely. I think it's gonna probably maybe come up once, maybe one more test down here, and then here. In my opinion, it's gonna break out up here to the up. I was saying this was gonna happen back here. It didn't happen, but those institutional players, the whales, not the investors, but the institutional traders, they're real good at psyching people out. So these markets are designed to fool you. So when you think it's going to zig, it's usually going to zag. When it's going to zag, it's going to zig. When YouTubers are getting everyone in a hot frenzy, it's usually going to probably drop a little. And then when everyone kind of gets worried and some YouTubers start putting out scary titles, and a lot of that's for views. But there might be a point in time where it's true. This is totally normal in my unprofessional opinion. I've been watching it pretty close. I'm expecting March 26th. Looks about right. Maybe March 25th. I'm expecting it to bounce. It's bounced off this top line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hourly candles have bounced off the top. So coming down here and testing it again, it's no big deal. I don't think. Could be wrong. Maybe it falls down here. In my opinion, highly unlikely. But anyways, I expect it maybe March 25th, March 26th. Maybe it could push all the way to March 29th, which I'm pretty sure is Monday, right? Let's see. Monday, 29th. Usually, I mean, it could do it on the weekend, but you always be skeptical of anything that happens to Bitcoin on the weekend. I guess I should have said that. So in my opinion, Thursday, Friday this week, maybe it does something on the weekend, but you can't trust the weekend. March 29th into April, I'm pretty sure we're going to have a nice breakout to the upside with some big pumpage. But don't bet on it. Just always stay safe. I just wanted to make this video. This is nothing to be worried about, in my opinion. Hope you enjoyed this little mind-settling video. And as always, thanks for watching.